This is a product we have specifically developed. EVA material suitable for carving and processing. It solves the problem of traditional EVA containing formamide. It does not contain formamide and is odorless. CNC engraving does not produce burrs. Dust is also very easy to clean. No need for glue. The thickness of this new material can be bonded by heating. Traditional EVA is generally 60 millimeters thick. If thicker materials are needed, glue is needed to bond them together. When using glue, there will be some harmful substances